Hi children, welcome you all for the today's English class. Children, today this is our 7th session of reading and writing. So make use of this opportunity children. So please follow the instruction. Write the lines as it is. We are following because Principal Ma'am instructed clearly that only 6 lines need to be written every day on our sessions. So while we are sending the teaching videos, along with that we will send the handwriting video also. Please follow, read and send your videos Ruby's English group, and write and send it to your handwriting book photocopies through Teachment. Please follow the instruction children and do as it is children. Let's move on to the session now. Children, let's start the reading part. Your textbook Honeydew, chapter 1. The title of the chapter, The Best Christmas Present in the World. Children, let's start today's reading part from page number 15 from your textbook Honeydew, prose 1. The title of the chapter, The Best Christmas Present in the World. Look at the first line children. Keep your fingers and read along with me. Say along with me children, and with correct pronunciation. Please listen to me and pronounce the word properly. I found Burlington House nursing home easily enough. I found Burlington, B-U-R-L-I-N-G, Burlington, T-O-N-T-N, Burlington House nursing home easily enough. There were paper chains up in the hallway, and a lighted Christmas tree stood in the corner with a lopsided angel on top. I found Burlington. I'll repeat children. I found Burlington House nursing home easily enough. There were paper chains up in the hallway, and a lighted Christmas tree stood in the corner with a lopsided angel on top. Look at the next line children. I said I was a friend come to visit Mrs. Macpherson to bring her a Christmas present. I said I was a friend come to visit Mrs. Macpherson to bring her a Christmas present. Next line. I could see through into the dining room where everyone was wearing a paper hat and singing. I could see through into the dining room where everyone was wearing a paper hat and singing. The matron had a hat on too. The matron had a hat on too, and seemed happy enough to see me. She even offered me a nice pie. She even offered me a mice pie. She walked me along the corridor. Mrs. Macpherson is not in with the others. Mrs. Macpherson is not in with the others, she told me. She's rather confused today, so we thought it best if she had a good rest. She rather confused today, so she thought that it was best if she had a good rest. Look at the next line children. She had no family to know. No one visits. I'll repeat. She has no family to know. No one visits. So I'm sure she'll be only too pleased to see you. Next line. Look at the next line children. She took me into a conservatory with wicker chairs and potted plant all around and left me. She took me into a conservatory with wicker chairs and pot plants all around and left me. The old lady was sitting in a wheelchair. The old lady was sitting in a wheelchair, her hands folded in her lap. The old lady was sitting in a wheelchair, her hands folded in her lap. She had silver white hair pinned into a wispy bun. She had silver white hair pinned into a wispy bun. She was gazing out at the garden. She was gazing out at the garden. Look at the next line, children. Hello, I said. Hello, I said. She turned and looked up at me vacantly. She turned and looked up at me vacantly. And Happy Christmas, Coney. I went on. Happy Christmas, Coney. I went on. He found this. I think it's yours. I found this. I think it's yours. As I was speaking, her eyes never left my face. As I was speaking, her eyes never left my face. I opened the tin box and gave it to her. I opened the tin box and gave it to her. That was the moment her eyes lit up with recognition and her face became confused with a sudden glow of happiness. I'll repeat, children. That was the moment her eyes lit up with recognition and her face became blessed with a sudden glow of happiness. I explained about the desk, about how I had found it, but I don't think she was listening for a while. I'll repeat, children. I explained about the desk, about how I had found it, but I don't think she was listening for a while. So that's the end of the story, children, of this page, today's reading part, children. So read along with me and practice it once and send your reading video in the group. Now we are moving on to the writing area. Let's start write. Children, take your handwriting book and follow the instruction. Write the date first, children. Then draw lines and please follow the page. Maintain the page. Please don't write extra lines. Only when we have a English teaching video, we have write handwriting session. In that session, how many lines I am writing, the same line should be written in your handwriting book. So this will be checked by ma'am when you submit your handwriting book. So please write along with me and don't write the extra pages and don't write ugly. It should be neat with proper pattern. So as it is given the dotted lines, your handwriting should be maintained. So please cooperate with us and do the needful. Let's move on to the today's writing part. Children, let's start today's handwriting part. So see here, take your handwriting book, page number 5. Page number 5. Write today's date, children, 23/8/2021. So today we are going to write this stroke and this stroke. So hook and N we are going to write. So first write the date, then draw lines, children. Write the date, sharp your pencil, have eraser with you. So let's start write. First you need to start with the dotted line, children. First start with the dotted line. Write it over the dolly, children. So write properly over the dotted line. Slowly you should write. Sharp your pencil and then write. Then only you can write it over the dotted line properly. Otherwise it will not be neat. So maintain, write neatly like this, complete it till the end. So now we have completed the dotted line. Next line I am going to write. So see here, the same way we need to write. Follow the same pattern as it is given in the dotted line, children. Don't change the pattern. See here. So now I have completed this hook, children. So first dotted line and second line I have completed. The next line you need to write. Likewise, next one we are going to write the N. So write over the dotted line first. Sharp your pencil. Write over the dotted line properly. Like this, children. Like me, slowly you should write. Write neatly. Follow the same pattern, children. Write neatly as it is, children. So that's all I have completed till the dotted line, end of the dotted line. So now I am going to write the next line. So follow the same pattern as it is. So see here, the same hook and with bend. So this is the way you need to write, children. So follow the same pattern as it is. Write neatly, children. So that's all. I have completed the dotted line and the first line. Next line you need to write. So this is our today's handwriting part, children. Write the date, draw lines like this and write over the dotted line first, then write these two lines. Sharp your pencil and write, children, from page number 5. So that's all from the today's reading and writing part. So send your handwriting a photocopy in Teachment after creating the folder. So children, follow the instruction and do your work properly and send your assignments regularly.